25th is Housewarming Day, a project of 51 crores for ME House. Powerhouse, Nijraj Yogic, Vellail House. Wherever I am, Vellail House will be known as Me House. Nijraj Yogic House for missiles. The love of God, the loving God, that can be fathomable only through cosmic consciousness. If anybody expects anybody's arrival news, that should be fathomed through the reincarnational glory of the past, then present can be the way for the future. Since nobody is living in this planet eternally, so this planet is for evolution, highest education. Who can fathom that type of awareness? Only spiritual souls who are born for that. Then there is more meaning for anybody's arrival news in this planet. Then reincarnation is not an absurd thing. How many think that they can live in this planet with a physical form for thousands of years? So within a lifespan, one has to realize the purpose of life. The purpose of life is not for just religions. It's for realizing one's own divinity, means what is the divine aspect with higher and highest consciousness of godliness, then cosmic realities, yogic spirituality, that has to be properly made, digested through religion of love, religion of love, religion of love. Roll it on, religion of yogic love. Scientific meditations. Nijraj yogic tree, it's not a forest tree. It is the tree of consciousness among human beings. Then there is more meaning for the purpose in which messengers of love and religion of love has begun its higher and highest God conscious realm for ME gatherings. Globumenons in the leading space. Globumenons is not a caste. It is in the leading process of making life more purposeful, yogic ways of one disseminating the knowledge of the ultimate. Yogic spirituality, salvation, liberation is inbuilt in it. Enjoyment, entertainment, evolution is also inbuilt in it. Why? That is the way for a new millennium, ways for Satyuga, Prem Yuga. Then there is Wonder Mind with beautiful lives in this planet for souls, especially bachelors and spinsters, ways of one perceiving divinity. Bachelor Bangalow souls and spinster Bangalow souls with responsible roles will make life more beautiful, loving and purposeful. Becoming millionaire and billionaire or trillionaire, become rich through yogic wealth. Create yogic wealth through ME spirituality. Nij Yoga system of evolution, expansive awareness of Say Yoga, kingdom of souls, straightforwardness, non-betrayal, honesty, sincerity and straightforwardness is essential. Then spirituality is not an alien subject. Spirituality is there within every soul. Then soul realization. Souls are beyond gender differences and race differences. That's why universality, greatness of spiritual consciousness, the kingdom of new souls and the way of one perceiving divinity is made possible through ME intervention. Mega events or my events, beginning process, manifestation energy. ME stands for Millennium Evolution Manifestation Energy. My etiquette, my economy, everything is inbuilt in it. So, live and lead the way with highest tranquility, peace, absolute non-violence norms, and the way of God for you and me, for the wonderful ways of one perceiving a beautiful planet with ME intervention. Left you all. A few words only for would-be soul going to be a part of ME spirituality and religion of love. Propagate your hearts towards the entire human species. Individual leading styles. No imitations at all. Captains and co-captains, creators and co-creators. Life is so beautiful in this planet. Left you all. I am here in this planet.